Hello guys, thank you so much for tuning back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the trunk cover that you have it in your X3, X5 or X7. It's located right here. I'm pretty sure you're very much familiar with this. If you do have a big cargo and you want to remove this, there's a way to do so. There's a button located all the way in the corner. You just press that button and that will release this for you. Once you release it and take it out, there's a way to actually store it over here. So that way it doesn't get lost. Especially if you're leasing a car and you're turning your car without the cover, you might have to overpay for that. So you want to make sure you don't lose it, keep it here. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like.